Ṣé bá kalẹ̀? Lágbàá olódùmọ̀ ẹ̀lì gbogbo ojú. Lọ sọ́ra rí o. Ẹ bá kojú lé yà nìkan. Jẹ́ kojú ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ló bá kojú ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba. Lóòdù bá ẹ̀ka ní kẹ́kẹ́ sí
àwa lọmọ Odùduwà ọdẹ tó ń ṣeré ọba. Ilé Ifẹ̀, Ilé Ifẹ̀ o, Ilé Ifẹ̀ yìí, Ilé Ifẹ̀ orísun Yorùbá. Ilé Ifẹ̀, Ilé Ifẹ̀ o, Ilé Ifẹ̀ yìí, Ilé Ifẹ̀ orísun Yorùbá. Èmi mọ̀ Ilé Ifẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ilé. Ìwọ mọ̀ Ilé Ifẹ̀ o gẹ́gẹ́ bí orísun. Yorùbá mọ̀ Ilé Ifẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́.
Òyìnbó sí ilé ìjọba máa ń lè lè láti wò ó.
How do you find it? What can you say about the Impact Festival in Nigeria? Is it something that the whole world celebrates?
Láti wọn olóyè ní abroad ti fi Adéyẹlá Adélẹ́kẹ̀ Ìbà ó ti kú last year so wọ́n máa lè ṣẹ́gi fún ìlú lọ́kùnrin wọ́n fẹ́ ìtàkùn àlàkọ́ wọn. Ẹ súnmọ́ wọn. Ẹ súnmọ́ wọn. ẹjọ́ wọ́n ìtàjú lọ́wọ́ ìjọ.
What's your name? Okay. Far Dubai. We thank you so much for coming to Nigeria, and I could see you are new. The only question I want to ask now is that what is the difference between Ifa religion and other religions?
Well, Ifa is the root of all religion.
Ifa is the root. But about in Nigeria, most people claim the word Jesus Christ, Muslims,
because they like the people, they don't want
they don't go to the road. I'm happy seeing you in this attire. So when you get back to America, do you feel this? Always.
Festivals, everything.
So you solely believe in Ifa religion? You believe in Ifa religion?
Every religion born with Ifa. So if Ifa born everything else, even Islam, and something has to help the people to become a better person. That's the idea. All the any religion supposed to be helping to become a better person.
Is the Messiah? When I do my son,
gbé aládùúgbò gbogbo awo àgbàlá ayé fún Buhari wo yẹn gbà lọ́rọ̀ la.
bàbá mi kábíyèsí kẹtó bí adélẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún ẹ̀yà ọmọ rẹ̀ náà gbúdọ̀ kọ́. àwọn ìbò lè kọ́ báyìí náà.
ẹnu
ẹ̀yà ọmọ rẹ̀ náà gbúdọ̀ kọ́. Baba Ifa, Chief Baba Ifa Tokum, Ifa Musayo Tokum. Ifa Musayo. Ifa Musayo. Ifa Tokum, Ifa Musayo. Okay. My father initiated some people at National Ifa religion was established at Venezuela.
National Ifa, c'est en Venezuela.
I don't know whether National. Ella va a abrir. National que no. National. Que está hablando ya eso para esperar que no va a venir.
Nacional religioso. No nacional religioso. Aquí en Venezuela se necesitan con ese
No. You are in Nigeria. The question I want to ask now. This year 2009 future. How do you find it?